TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow up 7, Nasdaq's down 19, S&Ps are off 5.5. Gold contracts up 14.40 at 11.55. Gold took out its swing, folks. Has wide price spread, has the volume behind the move. Silver, same setup on silver, up 17, 14.90. They're both going up to their October highs. In gold, you're talking about basically 11.92, 1,200. Platinum's up 21 at 9.01. You get the copper market up 3.5 pennies at 2.13. Light sweet crude yesterday tested its lower price area. January 20th, rejected it, had lighter volume, took off topside. API numbers come out, didn't even hit the bottom. That it had traded at 06:30 in the morning Eastern time. Bottom line, oil also wants higher price. Bonds, the 10-year note is up 7 ticks, 130.08. That's testing the highs of yesterday. We'll see whether they can hold. 30-year up 7 ticks at 162.19. And King Dollar, folks. King Dollar is the number out here. King Dollar got toasted and roasted yesterday, down 1,600 ticks. King Dollar's down to another 886 ticks right now at 96.42. King Dollar is going after its swing low of 94. This is going to be a real test on King Dollar. I expect it's going to take a couple more weeks to get down there. If you crack the 93 area, King Dollar is going to get down to 88, which is going to be a shocker. Well, it's going to be a shocker in the market, but guess what? It's going to send commodities to the moon. And more than likely, we'll send asset prices, including the market, up too. Euro is up 111 at 112. You got the yen trading at 116.77. If we go over and we take a look at the S&Ps, what you're going to see is this. Bottom line, yesterday, you were going down. You went into the January 20th high, and that was the low also. You did it with dramatically lighter volume. It rejected lower price, did it with lighter volume. On the open out here this morning, what we've done is that at 2:30 yesterday, actually, that's when the market took off topside. That's what the E-minis were doing. Prior to the open out here, I suspect you're going to see another rejection of lower price. Once again, and it's all about oil right now, folks. Bottom line, oil market wants to go higher. Commodities want to go higher, and I expect you're going to see these markets higher. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold has the price spread, has the move, has all of the above. Gold yesterday, you talk about volume coming in this baby. We did yesterday 189,000 contracts. That's when it was taking a swing point. We only needed 129,000. You can see what's happening here. I suspect gold is on this ABC structure in the way up. And you remember that the B to C point is a straight line move. And I suspect it's going to go straight line right now to that 1191 area. Silver is what we needed inside the commodity market to finally get a bid. It finally did get a bid, had the price spread, had monster volume also. Silver came in as it launched all those swing points with 65,000 contracts. You know, that was 1168. You're at, 1468. You're at 1491 right now. That little baby's making its way up to this 1620 mark. The wild card out here are the notes and the bonds. They spiked higher yesterday, had good volume yesterday. We'll see whether that note's going to go test at 130.24 once again. And if you go over to the dollar index, folks, bottom line, get the peanut butter jelly, get the cream cheese, get it all out. It is toast. This cracked lower, did it with volume, and that's just not the reason. One of the main reasons was how it traded last Friday. Last Friday had every chance to get up and over the downdraft that had occurred on December 3rd. That's when Draghi came out, didn't do enough stimulus in Europe for the market's concerned. Bottom line, that came down 124,000 contracts on Friday. It couldn't even get up to, never mind the high of that day, just couldn't basically get up and hold price. That sets up a run down to the August 24th low. That August 24th low was laying out there at 93.12. You break that 93.12, we've been in that consolidation for a year and a half, that'd be a huge problem. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.